Hi, I'm Tom with the SPB production channel, and in this video I will show you how element types are related to elements in IFC schema. So basically we will talk about how these arrows are defined in IFC schema. Previously I recorded a video about how types and elements are working in IFC schema. So in this video we will dive deep into the IFC schema to look at this relationship. So I have a simple IFC file where I have got two walls, and it's wall A and wall B, and both of these walls are of a type W01. So this is my simple IFC file, and now I will use rdit IFC reader, which is an IFC viewer, but it views the IFC files in their text format. So I will load this file into the IFC reader, and you can see that it's a text format and it's a step format with an information about the IFC objects inside. So let me search for IFC wall type. And because this is a simple file, only one IFC wall type is present, and you can see that it has got this global ID, this is the name, this is the description, and these are the property sets of the wall, and this is the predefined type. So you can see that there's no information about the instances or occurrences of this wall type in the project. And if I took a look at this property set, you can see that only property set is defined here and here. So the information about the relationship between wall and wall type is not in the wall type information. So now let me search for IFC walls. And you can see that I've got filtered this IFC wall type definition and these two IFC walls. This one is the wall A, this one is the wall B. But you can see again that there's just the global ID, the name, description, tag, etc. And this is object placement and representation. Basically, object placement tells me where this wall is placed in the space. So even if I look further, there is no information about the type. So this is the object placement, and this is the representation. This tells me how it's represented and what the shape of the wall is. So again, it's information about this individual wall, and there's no information about the wall type here. So where is the relationship between the wall type and wall defined in an IFC schema? It's defined in an individual object. I will clear this filter, and if I search for IfcRel, which are relationships, you can see I've got IfcRel aggregates, IfcRel associated material, but here I've got IfcRelDefinesByType. So if I click this one, you can see that I've got again only one of these relationships in my simple file. This one again has a global ID, it has got the owner history, name, description, and here is related objects. So you can see if I click here, it's the line number 74, and it's the IFC wall occurrence or instance. So this tells me that this 135 is again this wall B. So both of these wall instances are defined here, and here is the relating type. So if I click here, it's this IFC wall type line W01. So basically this object, the IfcRelDefinesByType, tells me which type has related occurrences. So this is how the type is connected to the instances. And you can see that these IfcRel objects are present throughout the IFC schema, and they are quite important because they connect objects to, let's say, classification like here, or material, or to the space structure. So these IfcRel objects are very important in IFC schema. If you are interested in exploring IFC files by yourself, you can use this Added IFC Reader. It's a free web app. It will be linked in the description box below. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.